Hey, hi guys, I'm Naval Yamal. So in this video, we are going to see the solution for the task which I have given you, that printing a pattern programs like stars in a horizontal, stars in a vertical, and then stars in a rectangle box. So the task was, if the user enters n equal to suppose 3 for example, so you should get 3 stars horizontal and 3 stars in a vertical in this way. If user enters 4, so you should get 4 stars here, 4 stars here, 4 stars here, and at the end you should get 4 stars if user enters n equal to 4. So this is a rectangular pattern with stars. So let me throw you an idea on this. So we have seen in the last session like how this star or this program can be printed using a row wise. So let me start writing it. I'll take an input from the user. So int, I'll convert it to the integer input, and I'll say enter a number, and for j in range, and if I say n, and I'll print a, in a double quotes, I'll print a star, and I'll run this. Okay, let me see what happens. So you will get all 5 stars in a vertical. If you want that in a horizontal, then just you need to give a end attribute for this. So we are giving a end attribute, we have seen just now. Just give a space, and if I press 5, so you're getting 5 on the horizontal, but you want that in a vertical. So here you have a small trick here. So just imagine, if you have one star, I want to repeat this 5 stars 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The same steps should be repeated 5 times. If user enters n equal to 3, just I'm giving you the logic. If users enters n equal to 3, this 1, 2, 3 should be repeated 3 times. So what I'm trying to say, you're getting an output 1, 2, 3. This 3 should be repeated 3 times. Okay, then only you'll get output 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this will be repeated 3 times. I'm talking about 3 times. 3 times. So how will you get 3 times? So here is the logic. Can you tell? Not square, but we are using, or I'm talking about times. So what do you mean by 3 times, 4 times, n times? How will you get this? N times. So times is nothing but your n multiplied by n. So this is 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, that is multiplication by 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So you have to multiply this star, whatever you are printing, use a star operator, that is multiplying with how many times do you want to repeat that. So I want to repeat this when user enters, or depending on what user has entered. If he is entering 4, so n value will be 4, so I want to repeat it 4 times. If user enters 3, I should repeat it 3 times. So it all depends on the user and the value, so he will be taking n. So that's it. Now if I run this, and if I say 3, so first you will get 3 stars, and that will be multiplied with 3 again. So it should be printing all 3 stars like this. So this is your rectangular pattern of what we are searching for. If I, there are multiple ways you can do it, but I'm telling you the simplest way. So if I run this, and if I enter 5, you will be getting 5 stars vertical, that will be multiplied 5 times. I hope you understood this pattern program, guys. So let me give the next task. So the next task is, instead of stars, suppose if user enters n equal to 3, instead of stars, I want to print a 3 times, a 3 times, a 3 times. So the logic remains same. but instead of stars I want to print A. Can you just think on? So I'll just copy this, paste it here. Yeah, great. So just instead of star, I want to print A. So just take up A and just you run this. So if user enters suppose 3, and you can see the output. So you got a rectangular with letter. Whatever letter you type here, you will be getting that. But the task, like we will be seeing in the next videos, like if we have to print ABC, 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 or AAA, BBB, CCC. So how to do that? We are going to see that in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Keep learning and please subscribe to my channel.